Hi, I'm Margaret from A Mindful Emergence, and I'm suggesting that you stop practicing yoga. What I mean by that is stop practicing as if you were trying to get somewhere or achieve a better state like fitness or relaxation. I used to think I'm practicing yoga to perfect my balance or to get stronger or to achieve some other state of mind. I know that yoga is both a science, it has neuroplasticity that is creating resiliency in our mind and in our body so that we can meet stress and bounce back from it more efficiently and effectively. But it's also an art form. There are so many ways to express the energy within us through the movements of our body, through our breathing practices, through our mindful meditation, where we can watch the thoughts and choose to not believe every thought we have, to strengthen the ones that are kind and positive and compassionate, and to question the ones that are stress provoking. So, yoga is a science, it's an art, it's also a spiritual emergence. It helps us to know ourselves better and connect directly with the divine. So, when I say stop practicing yoga, what I mean is start listening and engaging with the inner experience so that you can become the person, the full person that you're meant to be in your body, in your mind, in your spirit, and you can help this world that is suffering and wanting to evolve, I believe, instead of creating more stress, more confusion, and more competition. Let's cooperate with our bodies and collaborate with the energy inside so that we can move toward wholeness. Thanks so much for listening.